Welcome to our breathtaking drone journey over the magnificent Kassandra Peninsula in Chalkidiki, Greece. Known for its pristine beaches, azure waters, and charming coastal towns, Kassandra Peninsula is a true paradise for nature lovers and travel enthusiasts. Join us as we take you on an awe-inspiring aerial tour of some of the most captivating destinations on this peninsula. Our first stop on this mesmerizing journey is the picturesque town of Atheitos. Nestled on a hilltop overlooking the Aegean Sea, Atheitos boasts a unique blend of traditional and modern architecture. As the drone glides over the beach, you'll also catch glimpses of the traditional houses and inviting tavernas. Make sure to take a moment to appreciate the stunning view from the town's cliffside promenade, offering panoramic vistas of the Azure Sea stretching out to the horizon. Please remember that for more info on this destination, head to the description tab and read all the details, including suggestions, or read along with the subtitles. Do you have a question? Post it in the comments section. Continuing our flight, we arrive at the vibrant resort town of Calafia. Known for its vibrant nightlife and lively atmosphere, Calafia is a popular destination for tourists seeking both relaxation and entertainment. As the drone soars above, you'll witness the crystal-clear waters lapping against the pristine sandy beaches that draw sunseekers from all over the world. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more captivating travel content. Calafia also boasts a fascinating mix of architectural styles, with its iconic Calafia Springs showcasing beautiful Byzantine and Roman-inspired designs. This peninsula offers a diverse range of experiences for every traveler. Don't miss the chance to visit this Greek gem and create your own memories in this paradise by the sea. Next on our aerial journey is the charming coastal village of Hanioti. As the drone glides over this idyllic destination, you'll be captivated by its charming waterfront lined with quaint cafes and tavernas. Hanyoti is a perfect spot to indulge in delicious Greek cuisine while basking in the warm Mediterranean sun. Don't miss the opportunity to explore its narrow streets, adorned with vibrant bougainvillea flowers, and soak up the laid-back ambiance that makes Hanioti a true hidden gem. Moving along, our drone takes us to the historic tower, a symbol of the region's rich past. This ancient tower stands proudly overlooking the sea, showcasing the architectural grandeur of times gone by. As you fly alongside the drone, you'll witness the tower's impressive structure and the breathtaking panoramic views it offers. The tower serves as a testament to the historical significance of the area, providing a glimpse into the region's cultural heritage. As the sun begins its descent, our drone gracefully approaches the iconic Possidi Cape, bathed in the warm hues of the sunset. This natural wonder, jutting out into the sea, is a favorite spot for nature enthusiasts. The drone captures the pristine golden sands below, offering a spectacular view that is sure to leave you in awe. Take a moment to soak in the beauty of this unique setting as the sun paints the sky with vibrant shades of orange and pink. Thank you for joining us on this immersive drone adventure, and we look forward to sharing more captivating destinations with you in the future. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on this stunning aerial tour. Until next time, happy exploring!